Okay, so today I'm reviewing the project after everything is almost done. So when this is the landing page, there's nothing displayed at the moment because we have not searched for any city. But let's just search for any city. Say I'm gonna search London for weather. Click search, and then we get the weather data displayed in front of us. We have like almost, actually we do have three divs right here. The first one is just general information about the city, location, and the time and date. Um, as well as the temperature, a brief description of the temperature as well, and the day temperature along with the night temperature. So, and here in the second div, we have some forecast for, along the day, I'd say. So here in morning, afternoon, evening, overnight, and so on. Also here we've got along the day, but not like temperature. It's more of general data about the sunset, sunrise, high, low, which is temperature, of course, feels like, and so on. And here's a brief hourly forecast. If we click on, before we go on the next tab, we can also change the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. If we just check Celsius, everything will be rendered here in Celsius, as you can see. And also, if we go to hourly, we get like hourly forecast, 24 hours, 24-hour forecast with Celsius here. If we go back and put it back to Fahrenheit, and we get back to hourly, it will be displayed in Fahrenheit. 7 days, we get a weather forecast all over the week with the maximum or day temperature and night temperature, as some people call it, along with the corresponding icon and also the UV index. We have here a notify me route, which is basically a plans that you subscribe for. You put the city and the date or time, and then we basically just send you a notification. But since I'm not logged in, I'll have to create a user. I'll just log in with a user that I have here. Log in, never. So I'm logged in here, so I'm gonna pick a city, say New York. Before I do that, let's just see if I have any plans. I do have one because I created earlier, so I'm just gonna delete it and then check back. I have no plans. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna click New York, put any time, doesn't matter, and then notify me. That'll create a plan for us. When I check again, I'll get the city, and then I'll get a notification, from Google that I have to allow notification on this website so that I can basically, get notifications from. So if we go to the main page and then search for, say, I have no idea, go maybe China now. Hopefully it'll work. Yeah, so it did work. So China is at night now, and so we can see that the UI of the website changes tonight. Night colors, I call it, so as the hourly and the daily as well. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and have a good day.